In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access character.ai in Chrome and fix common loading issues. To get started, open Google Chrome on your mobile device or on your computer. It's important to use Chrome itself instead of the app, especially if you've been having trouble with the app not loading properly, freezing, or not responding the way it should. Using the browser version can often give you a more stable experience and can help you work around app-related issues. Once Chrome is open, go to the character.ai website by typing character.ai into the address bar and loading the page. Make sure you're visiting the main website directly in Chrome rather than opening a link inside another app. This helps avoid unnecessary redirects or compatibility problems that can sometimes interfere with how the site loads. If the site still isn't working correctly, the next thing to do is clear your Chrome browsing data. In many cases, stored cache and cookies can cause websites to behave unexpectedly, especially if the page has been updated recently or if old session data is conflicting with the current version of the site. Open Chrome Settings, find the Browsing Data section, and clear the cache and cookies. You usually don't need to remove everything else unless you want to. After that, close Chrome completely, reopen it, and then try visiting character.ai again. This simple reset can solve a lot of persistent problems. You should also take a moment to verify that your internet connection is active and stable. Even if you appear to be connected, a weak or inconsistent connection can prevent websites from loading fully or cause endless spinning and timeout errors. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure the signal is strong. If the connection seems weak, try moving closer to the router or reconnecting to the network. If you're using mobile data, confirm that your signal is stable and that data access is working properly in Chrome. If needed, you can also test your connection by opening another website in Chrome. If other pages are loading slowly too, the issue may be with your network.